What's the meaning of criminal? Criminal. Criminal.
Criminal. Criminal. Criminal refers to a person who has committed a crime, which is an act that violates the law and can lead to punishment by the legal system. Crimes can range from minor offenses such as traffic violations to serious offenses like murder or robbery. Being labeled as a criminal can have severe consequences, including imprisonment, fines, and a permanent criminal record that may impact future employment, housing, and other opportunities. Additionally, being a victim of a crime can cause physical, emotional, and financial harm to individuals and communities.